Hello everyone, Ozark Buck here. I'm back. I'm at the same spot I just was. In other words, I'm still here. I've got just enough time to, well, I figured I'd grab a couple of buckets of material. What the heck, you know what I mean? There's an inside bank right here, and it looks like the material will be fairly easy to get. And yeah, I forgot my classifier. So I'm just gonna have to shovel it right in. But I figured while I was here, might as well get something to take home and play with. Right? Right. Yeah, and this is an inside bank here, you guys, and it's also, it's all kind of piled up here. And, the big stuff, the big rocks, well, if I can, I'll toss them out of the way, but otherwise, they're going home with me too. I'm hoping this is fairly deep. See, there's like a bunch of good stuff right there. Gotta raise that shovel slow. You don't lose it, right? And with all the rain we've been having, I'm lucky I could even get to this spot I'm at. Where's my dog? Hey, get over here. Come here. Come on. Oh. Also, you guys, we had a black bear at my neighbor's place the other day. I'll have to post a picture of that. There's no video or anything. He sent me a picture from one of his game cameras. The black bear was giving a feeder a tune-up. You know what I mean? Pretty good sized bear too. He's probably about between 300 and 400 pounds. That's good size for down here, And we do have black bears down here. We ain't got a lot of them, but they're here. You don't see them a lot because they don't want you to see them. Maybe when I get this stuff home, I'll just classify it anyway before I put it in the sluice. And maybe I get lucky, find me an arrowhead. That'd be neat. Hell, I like to find an arrowhead just as much as I do a piece of gold. Tell you the truth. Something else I wanted to mention too, you guys. This world's going to hell we're living in, right? Yeah, you guys know that. Some bad people out there. But I was thinking the other day, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Brad, you were thinking, uh-oh. Anyways, I was thinking, and these aren't full buckets, you guys. They're pretty damn heavy though, about 3/4 maybe. I was thinking that, when I'm in town, I'm holding doors open for people at the gas station and whatnot. They don't even so much as thank me, I always thank someone when they do a little favor like that for me. And what I should say, what also I have noticed is no one says ma'am or sir anymore. And that's when you know you're on the way out. You know what I'm saying? I do. I say a lot of sirs and mans, and I call a business, and first thing I say when they pick up the phone, first thing I say is, "Hi, how you doing today?" And then you get this silence on the other end because either they're not used to it or they just don't care. Or maybe they think you're a salesman. I don't know. Come on. Who knows, right? Oh, there we go. Get down in there again. Well, look. Oh. Hello. I don't want that rock. Too big. Big backwater here too, you guys behind me. I ain't gonna mess with the camera to show you just because I don't want to mess the video up, but I do a lot of fishing here. Pretty good fishing. Great place if you had little ones to take them fishing because they will catch fish. They might not be big old bass or anything, but they'll be fish. It'll be fun. Yeah. You see how mucky the water gets. That's typical for here. Well, anyways, you guys, I'm not going to bore you any longer with my delicate sensibilities. I'm going to go ahead and finish, get that bucket filled about 3/4 and throw it in the truck. Anyways, hope you're all doing great today. And I hope you all have a nice weekend. We gone.